Hi there, Andy Willis here from Working From Anywhere. Today I want to talk to you about one of our biggest challenges in the digital world we live in. And that of course is passwords. Because we live in a digital world and it's going to become more and more so, everywhere we go we need to create a new password. All gets too hard, so for the majority of people what they do is use the very same password or variances of the same password in every site they log into. Andy Willis 123, Andy Willis 1234. Not very secure, but creating new passwords for every single site that we use is just too hard. So we fall back into what's easy, and that is something we can remember. Unfortunately, that's not very secure, and that is the very reason that people get hacked and there are data breaches, both in organisations and individuals. We all know someone's Facebook that's been hacked. But there is a really simple solution. And in this workshop, I will guide you through how to set up and use a thing called a password manager. A password manager not only securely saves all of your passwords, but most importantly, gives you the opportunity or gives you the option to generate secure passwords. Not short passwords, long passwords, jumble of characters that no one can hack. Good news is, you only ever have to remember one password, one master password that will give you access to all of your passwords. Also, you can store all of your other sensitive and secure information, or secure that sensitive information in there too, like licenses, passports, bank accounts, all sorts of other sensitive information can be stored in the password manager, and you can access it from anywhere at any time and on any device. So that's what this workshop's about. It'll be about an hour long. It's not just a presentation. It's a hands-on workshop. You'll walk away all set up and ready to go with your passwords, your digital world safe and secure. If you want to book in, you want more information, click on the button below. This has been Andy Willis from Working From Anywhere. I look forward to securing your digital world.